In this video, I will show you how to use virtual background on Microsoft Teams on mobile. So first of all, let's make a new meeting here. Okay, once you are in a Microsoft meeting, first of all, make sure to enable your camera. And now to use or set a virtual background, tap on this three dot. And here tap on background effects, and here as you can see bunch of different virtual backgrounds are available. You can go ahead and select any virtual background from this list, and if you want you can also upload a custom background by tapping on this plus icon, and now you will be able to select a background photo from your gallery. So this is how we can set virtual background in our Microsoft Teams on mobile. And if you want, you can remove the virtual background by tapping on this none icon. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.